And here we go. This is the other Macintosh that I bought. This is a Performa, a Macintosh Performa, which was also probably sold maybe 1995, something like that. You know, it also has a Power PC processor, just like the Power Macintosh does. And you know what? I had issues with this when I first bought it. The CD-ROM drive stopped working. It also ate one of my CDs. So I had to order a replacement. And let me tell you, opening this thing up, and I mean, once you know how to do it, it's not hard, but my gosh, it was kind of a challenge. But this is the computer that I will be installing Myst on, and we'll get to that in a second. As you can see, I have it hooked up to my flat panel monitor there. And I got a nice Macintosh keyboard and mouse. So, okay, let's get to it. Okay, hello again, and it's Saturday afternoon, and we're gonna record the installation of Myst on the Macintosh Performa. As you can see, Myst. And why don't we fire it up, and we'll see what we can do here. All I have to do is hit a button on the keyboard, believe it or not, and that will fire up the machine. I hope the hard drive that's in here lasts for a while. You know, they're on these vintage machines, they are known to go bad. I guess if that happens, I can always find a replacement or put in a SCSI to SD or whatever. But we'll see. So far, it's working okay. So this has Mac OS System 7 on it, and as you can see during the boot up process down here, it's loading all the extensions. So this takes you know, like 30 seconds to a minute. But there's something pleasing about using this older version of Mac OS. I don't know what it is. I don't know if it's just because it's different, or it's I like the aesthetic. You know, more modern operating systems are shinier, but I don't know, this is still pretty nice. It's complaining about that my clock is not correct, and I'm probably never going to do anything about that. But as you can see, here's our desktop. So I've got a few assorted icons on the desktop. I got the hard drive. So as you can see, got some folders on the hard drive. We got documents, and this computer didn't really have that much stuff on it when I bought it. So you got your main menu bar at the top. You got the Apple menu, and it's kind of like a start menu, but not really. But you can do a lot of things from this menu. You know, you got your control panels, which lets you configure the operating system. You know, depending on what you want to do. I can, you know, here's settings for the mouse. I have to put this back on fast every time I reboot this machine, because the parameters don't get saved after you shut down. It's probably a battery issue or something, I'm not really sure. But so yeah, you even have sticky notes. Kind of cool. And okay, let me get the CD out and let me insert it, and we'll install Myst. You really have to press hard on this eject button for the tray to come out. Oh man, really hard. Come on. There we go. Okay, putting the CD in the drive. Close the drive door. It should mount itself on the desktop. And there it is. Pops right up. Okay, Myst. Is there an installation file? There's a README file. The making of Myst. Myst files, Sound Manager, QuickTime. I don't see an installer. I wonder, am I supposed to run it right off the drive? I was expecting a installation routine. Well, let's see what happens. I'll just run it. It's trying to run. You have to start Myst from your hard disk. Drag everything to your hard disk and try again. Oh. Well, that's... Okay, that's helpful, I guess. Let's go to the hard drive. And we'll open this folder and we'll make a new folder for Myst. So we go File, New Folder. And we'll type Myst. Move that over here a little bit. We can close that. Open the Myst folder. So we're going to select all these files and then drag them over here. Okay, so we're copying. We're not doing a formal installation procedure, but we are copying all the Myst files to the hard drive. And it looks like there's like 300 files. I don't know how long this is going to take. If this takes too long, I'll just edit this part out of the video. And while we're waiting for this, I'm going to have a sip of coffee here. Okay, we're back. That took about 15 minutes at least, and I was listening to some Floyd in the meantime. But everything's been copied over. So let's do something here. Let's open this back up. Go in the Fun folder. Here's Myst. Let's see how big the Myst folder is. I'm kind of curious how much stuff was copied over. I think we go like that. Oh my goodness. 383 megabytes? Ay chihuahua. I mean, that's like half that's like half the hard drive. I don't even think I oh my goodness. Let's look at the hard drive here. How do I get free space? I forgot. Oh, okay. It says here in the at the top of the folder. So the entire hard drive is 838 megabytes, and after installing Myst, I now have 198 megabytes left. Prior to that, I had like 500 or 600 megabytes of free space. Well, that's okay. I mean, that's what the space is there for, right? Okay, let's go into Myst and let's fire it up. Waiting for Myst to launch, waiting for Myst to load. This is totally new territory for me. I have never played this game before. Waiting, waiting, waiting. Still waiting. Oh, here we go. Here's something. Please let this work. Myst will not work properly with virtual memory on. You must turn off virtual memory. Okay, now I gotta turn off virtual memory. What do you having fun out there? So now we gotta go Apple menu, control panels, I think memory? Virtual memory, off. Okay, well I guess that was easy enough. Now let's try running Myst again. I don't know. I'm not sure if I have to reboot. It didn't say that I had to reboot. Am I recording? Yeah, I'm recording. Okay, here we go again. Waiting for Myst to load. I'm having a ball. I don't know about you. Getting closer, getting closer. Myst will not work. Myst will not work properly with virtual memory on. You must turn off virtual memory. Well, I mean, I thought I did. Isn't it off? Virtual memory, off. Modern Memory Manager, off. I mean, what the heck? Is it because I didn't close the window? Let's try one more time. Okay, this is hopefully third time is a charm. Waiting, waiting, waiting. If this pops up again, I might throw this, yeah, it's coming up again. I'm contemplating throwing this computer across the room. I'm not really sure though. Let's look at the README file. Can I? Oh, you have to restart the computer. How about that? Okay. File, quit. Special. Restart. I'm going to pause the video here. Okay, we're back. I restarted the computer, and I just realized something. In the README file, it actually says that all I really needed to copy over was a couple of key files. It says drag, right here, it says drag Myst and Myst files from the CD-ROM to the hard drive. This takes up approximately 3 megabytes of space on your hard drive. See, now that sounds more reasonable. I guess I jumped to the conclusion and I thought that the whole thing had to be copied over, which apparently is not true. But you know what? I'll fix that later. Let's see if we can just run the game. This is like, I think this is the 4th attempt. I've kind of lost track, to be honest. You have to start Myst from your hard disk. Well, didn't I? Oh, no, I didn't. Fun. Myst. Myst. Okay. Maybe by the end of the day, maybe I'll actually be playing this game. Bum, 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 ba-dum, doo, doo, doo. Things are happening. This actually looks promising. Please work. Please, please, pretty please. With chocolate sprinkles on top. Uh-oh. Hey, look. We've got a Broderbund rotating logo. Well, so far we're doing okay. I mean, this is a positive sign. If you're wondering where the sound is coming out of, there is a speaker behind the monitor. A little Logitech speaker. Myst.
I realized the moment I fell into the fissures that the book would not be destroyed as I had planned. It continued falling into that starry expanse of which I had only a fleeting glimpse. I've tried to speculate where it might have landed. I must admit, however, such conjecture is futile. Still, questions about whose hands might one day hold my Myst book are unsettling to me. I know my apprehensions might never be allayed, and so I close, realizing that perhaps the ending has not yet been written.
I'm guessing that must be a very important book. Perhaps it has something to do with the plot. I don't know. Wouldn't surprise me, though. Okay, I've got a mouse pointer. I've got a little hand that I can move around. I think it wants me to click on something. Let's... Okay, click on the book. This introduction is cool and all, but I'm anxious to get into the actual game. Yeah, this does look like I remember it. I've seen this game before, I just haven't played it. Okay, we do have menu options at the top. I'm gonna click on that. I like the sound effects. Okay. Let's see, can I make this any bigger? Where is the menu? Well, I guess I can... I was hoping that this would fill the entire screen, but In my experience lately with Macintosh games of this era, they often don't. I don't know if I can fix that or not. We'll move forward a bit. Okay. This here looks like something. There's a handle. Okay. Well, okay, I moved the handle, so now what if I go up the stairs? Okay. Am I supposed to go maybe left or right? Should I go this way? Yeah, I'm trying to go up the stairs. Maybe I should follow this path. Well, over here to the right looks like something. Let's figure out what this is. Here's another handle, or a switch. I'm not sure what this is. I don't know if I'm supposed to look at it. Hey, a door opened up. Should I go inside? Well, I'm not due for a well, actually I am due for a dental appointment in about a week and a half, but I don't know if I'm supposed to sit here. What happens if I click on the chair? This is very odd. Oh. I'm clicking on things here and I'm not really sure what to do. February, it changes the date. Is this supposed to show something here, like a little screen? I haven't figured this out yet. Let's go back outside. Okay. Well, should I go this way? Here's another room to explore. Not really sure what to do here either. Well, I think I'm going to leave it. I'm going to wrap it up for now. I think you get the gist of how this got installed and basic gameplay. Hopefully I'll be able to carve out some time in the future to actually play through this and figure it out. I mean, it looks pretty cool. Gotta remember this game came out in, I don't really remember, what was it, 1993 or something? So, I don't know. I don't even know how to quit. Huh. Alright. Have a good one.